Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S4. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point. First step is power off your device. Once your device is powered off, you want to click the volume up, home, and power key all at the same time, and keep holding until the Samsung logo pops up, and then keep holding the volume up and the home button until this screen pops up. From this screen, so this is the Android system recovery screen. From here, we will be using our volume down buttons until wipe data/factory reset is selected, and then go ahead and click the power button to select it. Now once more, scroll down until yes is selected and click the power button to select it. Now all your data is being formatted, and as soon as that's done, go ahead and click the power button once more and your system will reboot without any information on your phone.